Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying the lines are dead with a non-contact tester. Safety first. Set a stable ladder and don gloves and eye protection. Once done, remove any lens cover or glare shield, use a screwdriver if screws are present, and inspect the bulb base. You need to know the exact bulb type and wattage because mismatched bulbs cause overheating or poor beam shape. Make sure you have the replacement ready before you proceed to removal. You now remove the old bulb carefully, support the fixture or lens so nothing falls. If the bulb is a twist type, rotate counterclockwise until it releases. If it's clipped, depress the spring and slide it out. When wiring must be disconnected, label each wire so reconnection is exact. Take a photo for backup. Avoid touching halogen glass with bare skin because oils shorten life. Use a clean cloth. Once the bulb is out, inspect the socket for corrosion or debris and gently clean if needed. You install the new bulb by seating it securely, twist or clip it until snug, and replace the lens or cover. Reconnect wiring only if you detached it, matching the labeled wires. Once completed, restore power at the breaker and test the light. Make small adjustments to aim and tighten any loose hardware. If the light does not come on, double-check the breaker and non-contact tester, confirm secure connections, and consider a faulty ballast or corroded socket.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.